Hello everyone, welcome to Honeydew Mindset. Begin by breathing deeply. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel yourself fall into a gentle rhythm as you relax your body. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Turn your focus to the self. Take stock of how you are feeling physically and emotionally. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now think about any resentment and bitterness you feel. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Why do you feel it? What has caused it? Is it geared towards someone or something in particular? Take a moment to sit with these negative feelings and accept them. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now give these feelings a material form in your mind and envision yourself letting them go. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel your mind becoming empty of these negative feelings. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Return your focus to the self and now think about how you can fill this new space in your mind with more constructive feelings. How can you build a place that cultivates self-love and confidence instead? Take some time to ponder this while you breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. On this last round of breaths, exhale resentment and bitterness, and inhale self-love and confidence. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. As always, thank you for joining Honeydew Mindset today, and make sure to thank yourself for being intentional about rejuvenating your mind and body. If you liked this meditation, please click the like button to support my channel and subscribe if you want more similar content. As you go in peace.